This incident has led to politics that has erupted after the death of the Hathras gang rape victim on Tuesday. Opposition is slamming Yogi Adityanath government, alleging deterioration in law and order. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is leading this attack, has spoken to the victim's family. Priyanka Gandhi is accusing Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath of having robbed the family of a simple chance of at least taking their daughter's body home one last time and forcibly cremating her body. Priyanka Gandhi claims that Yogi Adityanath has no moral right anymore to continue as the Chief Minister. Her brother and Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi also has hit out at the UP government. Taking to social media site Twitter, Rahul Gandhi says midnight forced cremation of victims' bodies shameful, indicating that the government is trying to hide the truth. BSP Supremo Mayawati is demanding justice for the Hathras victim as well. Mayawati is condemning Uttar Pradesh police's action of forcing the victim's family for cremation and then claim their action raises suspicion. They are also urging now the Supreme Court to intervene.
योगी राज को जंगल राज कहा जाना चाहिए और मोदी जी से हम कहते हैं कि अगर योगी जी सरकार नहीं चला पा रहे हैं तो किसी और को चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाए वहाँ पर। अगर वो भी नहीं चला सकता है तो राज्यपाल का शासन लागू कर दे, क्योंकि आए दिन ऐसी घटना हो रही। जो मारने वाले थे सारे योगी जी के बिरादरी की ही थे। योगी जी के बिरादरी के लोग ही हर जगह पर बैठे हैं अधिकारी के रूप में, इसलिए भी कार्रवाई इस पर नहीं हो पाई।
Prime Minister keeps talking about everything under the sun in his Mann Ki Baat. He must, instead of doing Mann Ki Baat, he must straight away call Mr. Adityanath and question him. What is happening in the state of Uttar Pradesh? Why it is happening? And it is horrific and shocking crime. It is very sad also.
उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस कहीं नहीं, उनको कहा जाएगा कि ये आपको लिखना है वही लिखेंगे। ऐसा आतंक है कि जानते हुए भी चाहते हुए भी अधिकारी कुछ नहीं कर सकता है। ये सारा जो होगा वो करना पड़ेगा और नहीं करना पड़ेगा उसके दुष्परिणाम उसको भुगतने पड़ जाएंगे।
घटना काफ़ी दुखद है, हम सबको इसका बहुत अफसोस है, लेकिन इतना जरूर कहना चाहते हैं कि इस घटना में जो लोग भी शामिल हैं उनके खिलाफ कठोर से कठोर कार्यवाही करना हम लोग सुनिश्चित करेंगे।
सर, इन लोगों का ये कहना है आपकी ये जिम्मेदारी थी यहाँ के पुलिस और प्रशासन की भी, कम से कम परिवार को अंतिम संस्कार की इजाजत तो देते। आपने महिलाओं को घर में बंद कर दिया, बाहर पुलिस वालों का तमाशा रहा और पुलिस वाले ही आग लगा देते हैं।
जो हुआ गलत हुआ है, हम माने अपने मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात करेंगे इस मामले में और कार्रवाई करवाएंगे। ऐसा हुआ है।
अच्छा, मतलब जो दोषी पुलिसकर्मी होंगे उनके खिलाफ आप कार्रवाई
करवाएंगे।
मतलब जो हुआ वो पूरी तरह से गलत है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Joined by Ankit Tyagi, he is in Hathras. Ankit, you travel well in Uttar Pradesh and the state is not new to rape cases, to caste-based violence. So in all political parties that have ruled the state, there have been cases like that have emerged. But this case is shocking, one of course because of the violence and the torture, but how it has now been even the cremation that gets forced. So the politics that's emerging was definitely expected.
Pooja, if you remember, we covered the 2012 Nirbhaya case.
Yes.
We were on the ground. It was one of the most shocking thing that possibly as a career as a journalist that you would cover, and it had an impact on most people covering it. And you would mostly think that, post that, we will not be possibly subjected to something like
Correct.
that again. And there were laws which were amended. And with the hope was that is going to be a detriment as far as rape cases are concerned. Now, 2020, 8 years on, we still are covering a barbaric, in fact, brutal rape case in which the girl has died. But what has added to this entire case is the way the government has in fact behaved, is the way the administration has behaved. During the 2012 case, Nirbhaya case, the people from all walks in life came out and for days after days protested. The government at least accorded the right, they took her to Singapore, for treatment, and then a proper cremation was given to her. In this case, even that was denied, and that becomes more stark, that becomes more jarring in the face. If the administration, forget about what has happened, whether they had failed in their responsibility to safeguard the girl, But the question is, could the administration have just done enough? Could they have been a tad bit sensitive for the family which is behind me? Even right now, the senior officials are here. There are many people, those who are coming to, in fact, pay their condolences. But senior officials here speaking to the family, I just don't understand with what face are they going inside, and what is it that they would be able to tell them so that their pain could be reduced even a little bit.
Absolutely unimaginable what the family and their grief must be at this point. And Ankit Tyagi is there on the ground. He continues to report the latest. Ankit, thank you very much for now, and we'll come back to you shortly with more updates. Because remember, not just politicians, even celebrities from the Hindi film industry have expressed anger, shame, disgust over the death of a young woman in Hathras. Several celebrities have condemned the incident, urging for implementation of stricter laws in the country. Here's a report.
Bollywood actors took to social media to express their anger over the death of a 19-year-old Dalit girl who was allegedly gang raped by 4 upper caste men in Hathras district of Uttar Pradesh. Actors Kangana Ranaut, Akshay Kumar, Ritesh Deshmukh, Farhan Akhtar, Richa Chadda and others condemned the incident and called for serious punishment to curb such violence. Following the heinous crime on September 14th, the girl was initially admitted to the Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College and Hospital in Aligarh. As her condition showed no improvement, she was shifted to Delhi's Safdarjung on September 28. But she unfortunately succumbed to her injuries on September 29th. Taking to Twitter, Akshay Kumar wrote that the incident has left him angry and frustrated, and also called for the hanging of the rapists. Kangana Ranaut, who called for Nirbhaya's convicts to be hanged publicly in January this year, wrote, "Shoot these rapists publicly. What is the solution to these gang rapes that are growing in numbers every year? What a sad and shameful day for the country. Shame on us, we failed our daughters." Farhan also expressed grief and wrote, "Sad, sad day. How much longer can this be allowed to go on?" Calling for fast-track judgments on such cases, Kriti Sanon wrote that India needs stricter laws and much more horrifying punishments to generate fear. Ritesh Deshmukh also said the culprits of the brutal and horrific crime should be hanged in public. Swara Bhaskar said the brutal gang rape was a reminder that there was no limit to monstrosity. We have become a sick, inhuman society. Shameful, saddening, she wrote. Echoing similar sentiments were Richa Chadda, Virat Kohli and Yami Gautam, among several other celebrities. According to the Hathras SP, the 4 accused who have already been arrested will now also face charges under Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.